That's the one made by prisoners, right?
No, not prisoners.
Or is that the one in Lelystad?
This one is made as a reintegration project for guys without work.
Prisoners.
Yeah, the next best. So it's all blocked off. So no boats go in there.
No, it's blocked off because it's way too dangerous to swim.
But there's an annual.
Forfeit.
My bother.
Well, Marco, when the laws come in for when this kind of attraction will grow again. What's the second one? The engine, the roofing engine.
Agoda?
Agoda. Agoda.
It's Holland's Irish one. If you look to
It's crazy. Huh?
the top,
Oh
It's
yeah.
unbelievable. It's still standing. Huh?
yeah, they're now inter. No, it's l'Europe bloemetje.